Hello everyone, yeah, welcome back once again. So this video here that I'm dropping will guide you on how to move your funds, your core tokens from your SafePal wallet into your Bitget Web3 wallet or Bitget DEX wallet, which is decentralized. So we are working with DEX wallet. Remember, we are going to be sending from one DEX to another DEX. So in case you want to move your money from this particular DEX, which is a SafePal wallet, to Bitget wallet for staking or just for managing your assets or for any form of trading activities, then watch this guide, this video till the end. And also this video also applies for those of you that are mining the core project that I dropped earlier on, that have claimed their daily core and want to withdraw their free core tokens. This video will also help you to do that. All right, so let's get started immediately. So you just head over to Play Store and download this app right here, which is SafePal Wallet. And after downloading it, you just you also download this wallet right here, the Bitget wallet. Remember that the Bitget has this Bitget exchange here has its own wallet. All right, now this is not the one that we are working with. We are only working with the DEX wallet. So you just type DEX right here, or you type Bitget Web3 wallet. So you click on that Bitget Web3 wallet that shows up right there, and then this is the particular one we are working with, guys. Okay, don't be confused. The Bitget exchange has a separate DEX wallet which we are working with. So you download this one, and after downloading it, you register and you set up your wallet. And after setting up your wallet, then you are good to go. You open up your first of all, you go ahead and open up your Bitget wallet, and then go and copy the address, the core address from there, and come back to this SafePal wallet and send it here. All right, so that is the first step we are going to do. Let's go over to our Bitget. Since we want to withdraw from this SafePal wallet to our Bitget wallet, we are going to copy the receiving address right from our Bitget wallet and come back into the SafePal wallet and insert it. All right, so let's head over to our Bitget wallet. Let me show you how to do that. So here is my Bitget wallet. I'll just click on the wallet section right here, and afterwards you click on the core wallet. But in case you can't find your core tokens right here, what you have to do, if you are depositing core into your Bitget wallet for the first time, what you have to do is to come over here and search for core right there. Okay, you search for the network core. All right, just search for the network core, and it's going to show up. Okay, I already have core network already. But in case you want to search it, you can search core right there. Or if you don't want to use this option, in case you try this option and core didn't show up, then you have to come over to this section right here where you have this multi-chains and change it. Okay, then you click right here, come over here and search for where you have this search for network. Just search for core right there. Okay, you can see core has shown. This core here, you can see core here has shown. So what your duty now is to enable it right here. As soon as you click on that plus button right there, it means that you are giving the wallet access to add core tokens into your interface. All right, so the core network is going to be added directly into your interface. Okay, so whenever it shows good like this, it means that it is now showing in your interface. Okay, then you can now go back and then you will see core will now be showing up right here. All right, the core network will now be showing up right here. Now your duty now is to click on that core and copy your address. Okay, so you now click on this receive section right here, and then as soon as you click on this receive section, these are the options that you will see. You have two options. You can either copy your address, core address, using this barcode, or you just copy it using this copy button that shows. All right, but I will just select only this one, which is more easier. So you click on it and then you go back to your SafePal wallet and go and edit the transactions. Okay, so let's go back to our SafePal wallet right now. All right, so I am now back into my SafePal wallet. So what you have to do now is to click on the core network right here. It's going to open up this section. So what you have to do, you have to now click on this send button. All right, because I want to send my 21 core straight up into the Bitget wallet. So you click on send button right here, and after clicking on that send button, this button is going to show. So click on this paste button right here. All right, click on this paste button right here. Okay, all right, now you can see here, you type the amount that you want to send to your Bitget wallet. All right, here in this wallet I have 21 core, but I'm gonna be sending 20 core live so that you see how it works. Okay, so I'll just type 20 core and remain 1 in the wallet. All right, okay, I've typed 20 core right there. So, and this is the value of the core network in your local currency. You can change it to USD or any currency of your choice. I already dropped a video on how to do all of that, and I'll be dropping the videos right at the video descriptions for those of you that want to have more in-depth view on how to use this SafePal wallet. Okay, so now you click on this next button right here, and then you go ahead, it's going to pop out this, go ahead and click on this send button. Now this is the wallet you are sending to. Always confirm the wallet that you are sending your coin to. Now I'm sending the coin from this my SafePal wallet. You can always confirm it, and also the coin is gonna be sent to this wallet, which is my Bitget wallet, and here is the transaction fee, the network fee that will be deducted from the wallet. Okay, so you go ahead and pay with core, click on that. Now you've known that, just go ahead and click on send, insert your fingerprint, and after inserting your fingerprint, the system is going to send your core automatically. You can see here, successful, guys. So this is how to send your core, and then you can use this address to track in case you feel the core hasn't gone, you can always use this address to track the transaction history. All right, but this is how to send out your core. Okay, so we've successfully sent out our core right here. That's why you can see success right there. So let's open up the Bitget wallet and check if the coin has been sent. All right, so here is my Bitget wallet. You just head over to where you have this wallet section right here. You tap on it, and then now you can see 20 has been added to the 200 that we had. Initially it was 200, now you can see 220. So if you click on it, you can also see the transaction history. All right, so here is the transaction history right here. So if you click on it, you can still see the date that the transaction was made. Now this is the date that the transaction was made right here. Okay, and then you can see the amount of core is 20 core. Alright guys, so this is how to go about the process. If this video was helpful, don't forget to like and share to your loved ones, and see you in the next video.